Twitter X platform, I have sent a Twitter message to our senior leaders dated 31st of March 2025. Today it is 1st April 2025. This is the audio I am recording. Honorable Sri, basically it is regarding Keshavanayagam ji. The summary of this audio is taking into consideration several complaints and several remarks on Keshavanayagam ji in the past. It is my direct conclusion that Keshavanayagam ji is number one fraud in Tamil Nadu BJP. He has ruined the party and he has got in a lot of bad people inside the party as office bearers, and they are all working towards working hands and gloves with the opposition parties, and they are working against Annamalai. So these are the things to be noted. This is the ultimate truth of what is happening in Tamil Nadu BJP as of now. That is 1st of April 2025. It has been addressed to Honorable Sri Narendra Modi ji, Dr. Moham Bhagwat ji, RSS Chief, Amit Shah ji, JP Nadda ji, BL Santosh ji, Annamalai ji, and also a copy to BJP for Tamil Nadu and India, and a copy to Keshavanayagam ji, Chakravarti Naidu ji, and Karuppu Muruganam ji. Normally when I am putting an allegation on somebody, I don't do it in the background. I just copy them also, because they should know what is being spoken about them outside by the cadres. That's my ultimate objective. The ultimate truth and ground reality of Tamil Nadu BJP as of now. Number 1 point, all 66 district presidents appointed by Keshavanayagam ji obtained their post by paying lakhs and crores of rupees received by Keshav ji and also Chakravarti Naidu ji, who are all hands and gloves with opposition party, with clear agenda not to let BJP to grow and not to make BJP to win in Tamil Nadu. That is a clear agenda. These must be reviewed and ineffective ones must be forthwith replaced with the capable hands. What the opposition party is doing, okay, you be there in BJP, but don't let it grow. Don't make them win. You work for us, we will pay you, we will cover you up, your interest, but you be there as our man, but work for us. Don't work for BJP. That is a clear agenda, and it's all purchased by money, and the people like Keshavanayagam ji, he is after money. I don't know what is that he is going to go, when he goes up, I don't know what he is going to carry with him. It is a very wrong notion he has got about his life. Number 2, BJP cadres in Tamil Nadu are solid support behind our party, and Annamalai ji has got a solid support. It is a creation by some people that BJP lost its strength. It is just a creation. But in reality, BJP has grown strongly in Tamil Nadu after Annamalai ji came into power, came in as a state president, and NDA, as we all know, NDA alliance got 18%, and the BJP alone has got about 11% in the past elections. So it is a very important we have to remove and replace immediately the non-performing office bearers, it's very difficult to crack our party. Without removing them, it is very difficult to win in Tamil Nadu. Point number 3, engage the intelligence to gather all properties, including Benami properties owned by Keshavanayagam ji, closer to 5,000 crores with the Keshavanayagam ji, and Perungota district in charge, Karuppu Muruganam, who is based in Tanjavur district. He is holding about 8,000 crores Benami properties, belongs to several BJP leaders. So, I don't want to name them, but most of the senior leaders, He is taking care of their properties worth about 8,000 crores, and the same must be raided and confiscated. Similar raid to be initiated on other Perungota Purupalar district in charges like Balakumar. Then, this guy Kunasegaran in Tiruvannamalai is not looted that much. It is a very small amount. But Balakumar he is doing all kinds of illegal money collection, fake receipts, and real estate business, interest business, and he is using all the office bearers of BJP to conduct his business, but not to work for a party activities. That is what is happening, and they are most of the Perungota Purupalar district in charges, or they're all corrupt. They're all corrupt, and they are involved in so many illegal activities, and which is nowhere related to our party growth and party success. So these are the people must be reviewed through the intelligence, and action must be taken by the top leadership. Number 4, Kesavanayagam ji and his team involved in only collection, real estate business, financing business conducted without any efforts to grow our party. All of them must be removed immediately and replaced with the right team who are available, and they are all standing by. Number 5, give Annamalai ji 100% full power for 2026 elections, so that he can get rid of all the wrong people from the party in matter of maybe within a week. He can get rid of all of them and replace them, because he's got a list of performing people in his list of cadres whom he should appoint. And I'm sure he will make a right choice, and then to make the party to grow. And all of those, number 6, all of those paid money and got their post are really incapable, because they paid money with the idea of earning more money. Okay, if they pay about 1 crore, they want to earn 10 crores out of that. And obviously, whatever post below them, Mandal Talavar, Undriya Talavargal, Kilai Talavargal, like that, they normally sell it to them, and they make money, and they don't care. In the whole process, everybody is in the process of looting funds. It's like when the house is on fire, whatever you are able to snatch it, you just snatch it and run away with the money, or with the coins or whatever. So that is the kind of attitude these people have got. They will certainly reveal whom if they paid the money and got the post. They will, once in the event of their losing their post, they will certainly reveal to whom they paid the money. They can give some kind of a complaint, and party can recover their money, and those who receive the funds, party can take some action on them. They can punish them to the extent of even removing from their whatever post they are holding. Finally, number 7 point, finally, only one way Tamil Nadu BJP can survive in Tamil Nadu is to immediately, without delay, remove the fraudster number 1, Kesavanayagam ji, and his corrupt men throughout Tamil Nadu, and replace them with already available capable hands. This is very, very, very important. Unless otherwise we take care of, we get rid of the wrong people, it will be very, very difficult for our party to grow. And because the true party cadres, they're all sidelined, they're all at the background now. They're all become quiet, and they don't know what to do, because they feel both, since there is a lot of clash is happening between the state and the central leadership, they think the leadership not really concerned about the issue, resolving the internal problem of the party. And that's why all the wrong people who are wanted legally with a criminal record, they all been given as a party president post, district president post, and which is affecting our party growth in Tamil Nadu. So I request the leadership to look into this and then resolve this local internal issue, because we as a party, we have the external and internal issues. External issues are being well managed by Annamalai and also other leaders, other state and national leaders. Within the internal problem within our party, it is ignored completely, in spite of giving a lot of complaints, irregularities. The leadership is ignorant, and I don't know, they are deliberately, they are quiet, or they are observing everything and they are going to take action. We don't know as a cadres. So we as a cadre, on behalf of several lakhs of Tamil Nadu BJP cadres, I want to appeal to the leadership to get rid of the wrong people within our party. They're all working closely with the opposition parties, not letting our party to grow and to win. Thank you. And here again, my name is Dr. Rajendra Naidu, BEMEFIE DLIT, Tamil Nadu BJP. My contact number is 9972504008. I again repeat, my contact number 9972504008. Thank you.